Hi, this is Liam Waddell here. I'm doing a review on the Doctor Who whatever. It's basically the make your own sonic screwdriver. One of them. It's compatible with this set, but there's 8 different sounds. 8. The first one. Second. I think that's the third one. That's it. And then goes higher in quality. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the set. So you got your pieces here. And first you want to get this, and this. And you put this onto here. I'll show you what that looks like. And you should end up with this. So now you get this. Put it in here. If it's not like this, it won't look right because it has to be aligned with the button. So like that. That's where you hear the sound, like on the back here. So now you put on this on here. I'll show you that. It has to be aligned with this. See that little arrow right there? It has to be aligned with that. You gotta make sure it can click, and if it can click, it'll be good to go. So, and then you put on the last piece, and you got yourself your sonic screwdriver. Well, now for the story. So, this isn't like in one of the episodes, it's just like he has to, if you buy the product it says it on the box, but the doctor, he lands somewhere he doesn't know, I think, and he's left with this sonic screwdriver, and he has to use it to get his way out. I didn't read much on it on the box, but I threw it out. I threw the box out, so I can't show you the packaging. So anyway, I'm gonna show you all the sounds. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. And you do that by pressing it 3 times. And then for this one, you press it 4. And for this one, you press it 4 times. For this one, you press it 5 times. And for this one, you press it 6 times. For this one, you press it 7 times. And for the last one, you basically press it 8 times. I like that one the best. So, go in the comments which science screwdriver from which doctor you like best, and I guess that's it. And for design, I think it's pretty good. Like, on camera you can see it shiny, all shiny and stuff, shinier than it is in reality. But and I really like this design too. It kind of looks like the 11th, but doesn't have the same features. But and then for the gold feeling, when you turn it on, it lights up like this. See? It's basically just this, but I think these, if you can see them, I think they're Gallifreyan symbols, or they're just Alpha and Omega, but it could be anything. So you turn it on, it lights up, and this thing starts peeling, but I think I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna do an upgrade video on it, show you guys what it looks like. If I can paint it, then I will do the video, but if I can't, then whatever. So, hope you enjoyed. Bye.